Kick-out flashing, EIFS. Kick-out flashing is a very important factor in the exterior insulation and finish system. Kick-out flashing is something I find myself talking about a lot when we are talking EIFS and residential applications. When the roof of a house with EIFS cladding terminates into the wall, there is always flashing there, which is good, but traditional flashing will not cut it when it comes to EIFS, and I will tell you why. Traditionally the water will run down the roof in the flashing installed, but at the end of the roof the water drops into the gutters, unless you install then 1 inch or 2 inches of foam to the OSB of the house. That would make the traditional flashing flawed, where the flashing actually drains the water right to the back side of the foam. This is where a kick-out flashing comes in. You will take the stamped metal kick-out flashing and tuck it under the existing flashing. The existing flashing will have to be pulled up without damaging the existing shingles. The kick-out flashing should slide up under the existing shingles for at least 8 inches. With the new flashing in place, the water runs down the roof and into the kick-out flashing, which diverts the water into the gutter instead of just running at the edge of the roof. I have included a picture of a typical kick-out flashing, so you can get an idea of what one looks like and where to look for the kick-out flashings on your house. Something noteworthy to say is that your EIFS should always be held up from the roof line about 2 inches, and a weep track is used at the roof line. When installing along a roof line, you would run a chuck line 2 inches above the shingles and screw the weep track on the line. Then your stucco home wrap is applied to the wall and down into the track. That way if any moisture gets behind the foam, it will run down the stucco home wrap into the track, and out the weep holes. When the EIFS industry broke into the residential market in the 80s, very few EIFS applicators knew about or were using the kick-out flashing. This was something new to the applicator, as most commercial buildings have a flat roof and use a metal coupling to seal the EIFS at the roof. For this reason alone is the main reason that EIFS is known as a great commercial product but has seen applicator problems in the residential application. But I will tell you that when properly installed, the EIFS product is one of the best products available today. That is even more true today than ever before with the new advancements in EIFS technology, and the fact that the price of the product is much lower today than ever before. There is no reason that everyone should not have an absolutely beautiful product on their house like EIFS.